I have always known from a very young age that I was going to be a teacher when I grew up. I had a lot of amazing educators in my own life who helped kind of shape that for me. I remember from a very young age, I had teachers who made me feel valued and loved and respected, and I could really tell that they cared about me as a person and they cared about my success in the future. Growth mindset is the ability to be able to step outside of your comfort zone, face those challenges, and not let the fear of failure or the fear of making a mistake get in your way of stepping outside of your comfort zone. Life is really hard for children, and school can be hard as well. And so I think it's really important that we teach them that they can do hard things, they can face those challenges, they can step out of their comfort zone, and they can achieve greatness when they do not let the fear of failure or the fear of making mistakes get in their way. I work in a fantastic environment here at Mitchellville Elementary where we not only teach academics, but we also help children understand the importance of having that growth mindset in their own personal life. I believe that student empowerment is when children are able to be in control of their actions and their learning environment. I think it's really important to help students set goals and to help them know what steps come in reaching those goals. And I always think that children need to be involved in what they're learning and how they're learning it. Every child learns in a different way, and as a teacher, it's my job to help them understand this is the way that I learn best. And I believe that that is huge when it comes to student empowerment in their learning progression. The community of Mitchellville views our school as a beautiful, wonderful place for their children to go to every day. They know that their students will be loved and cared for when they're with us. And so I do like to connect our students with our community. So I believe that when children see the community coming into school and when the community is offered that opportunity to come in, I believe really good learning can happen. I believe that making that one-on-one connection with every single student, every single day throughout every day of the school year helps to just build a trusting community in our classroom. It helps to build a community based on a lot of joy and fulfillment. So I really take the time to invest in the relationships that I have with my students, as well as their families. I like to keep them connected to what we're doing in our classroom through weekly emails and newsletters. And I think it's also very vital to stay connected and build those relationships with my colleagues as well. Teaching is far too hard of a job to do on your own, and it does take a village. And we have the best village here at Mitchellville. I am so happy that after 16 years of teaching, I still get up every single morning as excited to come to school today as I was 16 years ago. I love getting to come to school every day and see the excitement that my students have. They love to come to school. I might be the only time that day where they get a warm smile or a hug. I also really love just being able to engage my students in challenging activities throughout the day, whether that's social emotional growth or an academic goal, and just helping them through that learning process, helping them step outside of that comfort zone again, reach their goals, and just being able to experience those aha moments for students when everything that they've been working on just kind of clicks for them. That's really special. I am so excited and honored to be the 2023 Iowa Teacher of the Year. And I look forward to being able to travel the state of Iowa, as well as do a little traveling throughout the United States, and just be able to meet amazing educators that dedicate their lives to bettering the lives of children. I'm excited to go into classrooms and visit teachers. I'm excited to visit school districts. The biggest piece of advice I can give teachers across the state is just having the ability to reframe challenging situations into opportunities for growth. I know that I have found a lot of success and personal fulfillment in my own life being able to do that and being able to do it in my classroom as well. It is challenging, and when we are able to face those challenges and turn them around and reframe them into opportunities for growth and success, I think that that is very helpful in a classroom environment.